Can you insulate a garage for $10? That's what we're going to find out. We're going to quickly set ourselves a baseline. We are running this heater down here, and we're going to be doing it for 15 minutes. The garage is currently 27 degrees Fahrenheit, and we're going to see what it is after 15 minutes of running the heater, and then we're going to do it again with the insulation installed. It's now 30 degrees in the garage, so in the last 15 minutes, the heater was able to heat it up in here about 3 degrees.
So what I've done is I have purchased $10 worth of space blankets on Amazon, which just comes in a packet. I don't remember how many. I think there's like 10 of them. And I'm simply stapling them to the ceiling. I'm using an air nailer and some shims because it's a really thin material and it'll just rip right through. So the shims will keep it in place. And I'm just going to do as much of the garage as I can with just 10 sheets of space blanket. We'll see what happens.
Okay, the insulation's installed. It is 28 degrees in here now. We're gonna run the same heater for 15 minutes and we're gonna see if it increases in temperature any faster. Now it's 32 degrees in the garage, so we went up about 4 degrees, which means it kind of worked. Not amazing, but it worked.
Okay, let me explain briefly how or why any of this works at all. So you've got 3 different ways to transfer heat, and I'm experiencing quite a few of them right now laying in the snow. First one being conduction, so that would be like my body or my skin really touching my coat, touching the snow. So it's going to conduct through solids. The next one is convection, so that'd be the wind, which convection makes a pretty big difference. If you've ever been outside, you'd know. The last one is radiation. That's kind of like the sun. And believe it or not, that makes the biggest difference of all. So, what we did is we took $10 worth of space blankets, which goes a long ways. And space blankets, all they do is they reflect radiant heat. And my heater is a radiant kerosene heater. It doesn't have a fan on it, so there's no convection at all. And it goes straight up. That's what gave me the idea to do this in the first place, is you've got all the heat going straight up, why not reflect it back down? For $10, I was able to not quite fill the entirety of my garage in the ceiling. If you can do so, say you have a smaller garage, maybe about 2 stalls, this is 2.5. If you can do it with 2 stalls and fill the entire top of the garage, sealing it off, you can also reduce convection or air moving around, and that's going to help you a lot as well, because anytime you get hot air going out, it's getting replaced by cold air yet again. So what's the moral of the story here? Did it work? Yeah, I mean, it did work. $10 of insulation got me about $10 worth of insulation, but all winter long, it's been over a year now, and it helped. It really did. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. This has been me, Liam, with Jeep Sheep TV. I hope you subscribe and come back for more. In the meantime, I'll see you on the trail.